I'm gonna get cooking here. Fuck, man. All right. Okay. 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 Let me go like this. Let me go like this. All right. RR up. Yes, sir. All right, boys. Hey, we are going to be trading futures tonight again, I believe. I should be free to trade some futures tonight. Yesterday's price action was pretty doo-doo. But we should be chilling. Should be chilling to trade some more futures tonight. You were holding for 5 years, bro. Oh my god, bro. Congrats. Now I see why you like TMC, bro. Now I support your opinion. I don't think I would be buying here, but my god, good trade, bro. That's crazy. I haven't been investing for 5 years, bro. Lord. What the hell? It is possible. It is possible. All right, let's check the account real quick. Hey, these are back up. 120%. Meta is ripping today. AMD is taking a little bit of a breather. It was up 7% yesterday. That's pretty normal. I would love to see QQQ bounce off at this point. Holy shit. Sorry for the ear rape. All right. What's up, Curtis? How you doing, bro? How you doing, bro? All right. See, I like this bounce. I like this bounce for the Qs. For the Qs, for the kid. For the Qs. All right. Yo, who here lives down south? Who here lives in Texas, Florida? Well, not really Florida, but Texas, Oklahoma, shit like that. Bro, all I keep seeing, I just keep getting flooded with all the news about whatever storm is coming, bro. Minnesota, what the fuck? Bro, I keep getting shit all the time. All I see is about freezing rain, blah, 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 blah. Kansas? You live in Kansas? I live in Kansas City, close enough. Supposed to get 12 inches. Lord. Coffee, you're chilling, bro. You're not going to get hit. I think you might get some rain, but yeah, bro. I kept reading, I wasn't reading about it. I just kept getting YouTube recommendations for fucking I was getting YouTube recommendations for like meteorologists, but not like news meteorologists, like just like dudes in their basement. And what it's low-key kind of interesting, but at the end of the day, 28 inches of snow. Where the hell are you at, State? 28 inches? What? Yeah, Crystal, you're used to that shit. That's every day, bro. Hey, bod. I'm sorry. Had to. 20 inches saturated. Jesus Christ, bro. I'm a meteorologist. Bro, that's lit. No, I wasn't trying to make fun of meteorologists. I'm just saying I just kept getting YouTube videos of meteorologists. I'm not, I mean, that's not my thing. I don't know why I kept getting videos about it. I was just saying like my whole entire algorithm was taken over. Lit, bro. Good shit. Montana. Damn, y'all are low-key from like, we got people from everywhere, bro. We got hella foreigners too, bro. There's a lot of people from the EU. This dude hit me up the other day. He was from Singapore. It's crazy. Brody, the local news got busted at the store, stacked up with their milk, so shit got going down. Wow. I'm from Kansas City, Missouri. The Missouri side. If y'all ever want to come to Missouri, just don't. This shit sucks. Missouri's a shithole, bro. Brianna from San Diego, that's lit. That's lit. Wichita sucks? My God, bro. I feel bad for you. I've been to Wichita. I know Wichita sucks, bro. When I played baseball, I was going to go to Wichita. Is it dry out there? Yeah, it's pretty dry. Bipolar ass weather. Literally, bro. I guarantee it snows on Saturday, and on Sunday it's going to be like 86. Speaking of 86, that's how many people we got in the stream right now. Let's go. My college got a threat and class got canceled. Lit. As long as it's fake. Lit. Empty threat. What the hell does empty threat mean? Bro got about to get curvified. Trump has declared the U.S. will have total access to Greenland as part of the New Deal with NATO allies. Honestly, for what the hell I thought was going to happen, that's probably the best outcome. I mean, morning, Bali. How you doing, bro? Bali, when do you got to report? When you got to report back? Also, bro, Bali, I'm gonna shoot you a DM. I'm gonna shoot you a DM. I have a question. I know this is completely backwards because I know you're not. I know you're kind of rivals, but early camp, nice. That's lit. Why even do options when you can just do funded futures? One, because most of the people here do options. So I do both now. Let's go Mets. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wait, Johnny Rocket, did you know I'm a Mets fan? Did you know that? Or did you just happen to be a bet? Yes, sir. Are futures hard? I mean, yeah, they're not easy, but I mean, they're harder than options only because they're faster. Once you learn how to slow it down, like once you learn how to slow down the pace, they're much easier, in my opinion. RR's jumping, yes, sir. Texas, California, lit. All right, let's do one more check-in before we have orb break here. Zeta's up 2%, EOS up 3%, SoFi's up 3%, Nebius is up 3%. TE's only down 0.5%. I told you guys that wasn't going to be a big deal. ASTS up 4%, CRWV, CoreWeave is up 3%, SERV's up 5%. RR is up 7%, SMR is up 5%. Damn dog wants in the yard, man. How do they work? It would take. It would take me a minute to explain it. At the end of the day, it's options without theta, so you're not gonna see your contracts lose value as you hold it. That's the big kicker is you don't have theta, and on the chart it looks a lot easier. It's a lot cleaner. But yeah, boys, if you want to do a quick check-in real quick, I told you guys I blew these two evals, but I opened one more last night and I passed it. So now I have this fresh one. I have this is the one that I took the payout on. This one I think is 2 days from a payout. Look at this. Look at this, bro. 100% win rate. 100% win rate over here. This one doesn't have a trade, and then this one is 1,700 in profit. So we are killing it. Killing it. ADRX, yes. We're getting close to an orb break, so I'm not going to check that yet, but if you remind me, let me know. Do you trade orb and futures? Yes. Oh, no. For futures, I also trade some ICT stuff. Crystal, if you want to shoot me a DM, I can send you a video for one of my strategies that I use. AMD got an alert. It shouldn't have. Don't take this. Don't take this yet. Why are we getting alerts? Why are we getting alerts? What is it doing this? Why does it do it like once a... No one take those alerts yet. I don't know why. It does that like once a week, bro. That's the one issue that I've seen. It does that like once a week. It's only when you get your orb at the top. It's so weird. Are we doing any swing trades today or mainly options? I mean, we're just doing options today, probably. I'll alert swing trades if we see it, but okay, meta does look good. I just want to make sure that we don't get a false break. I'd really love to see a bounce off of this. Let's take one of those. I mean, you can, but they both look decent. They both look decent. I mean, the AMD one, I don't know how the fuck that happened. I don't know what's up with the AMD one, but the meta one looks good. It just shouldn't alerted yet, either way. I'm really not interested in taking puts, bro. I'm going to be honest. I like to see us flush down a little bit so we get more upside potential, but is that the standard one or the no activation fee? I do no activation fee. Let's see what Bali said. Bro, Bali, I don't know if you've seen, I'm about to look at your DM, but. Like Bali, bro, the moves that they've been making are like just so interesting, bro. So interesting. You can do futures on Top Step. You can do futures on Apex. Those are the two that I would recommend. And once again, guys, if you guys do have any questions, you guys want to learn more about futures, February 15th, 5 p.m. Eastern. The link is on the WAP. The link is in both the announcement channels. Got a lot of shit. This is going to go over everything that you need to know about what accounts to open, where to open your accounts with, how to trade those accounts, how to pass an eval, how to pass your fundeds, how to get a payout, all that kind of stuff. I'm doing good, King Plasma. How you doing, brother? All right. I mean, shit. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. It's going to have to be perfect for me to take this put. Not against it, but it's going to have to be perfect. Of course, bro. Glad you chilling this morning. Where is that? Where's what? Wait, Brando, where's what? February 15th, we will be making love during the futures webinar. God, don't pour without me now. Don't go without me now. Man. Market it's just not in a spot where I'd want to take puts here. I'm going to be honest. We just have Meta's up a lot. We have Google's green, Nvidia's green. I mean, they're not all looking great, but I'm not really expecting to see much downside is the thing. That's why I don't like establishing a bias, man. That's why I don't like establishing a bias. The futures webinar. Hold up, let me grab the link. Let me grab the link. I'll put it in my chat. Also, guys, you can get 3 months of premium added on that with a discount. So you guys can get the webinar and 3 months of premium for a discount. You guys just have to hit me up. Just hit me up and let me know, and then I'll add it to your account. I'll probably do it anyways, but what are you looking at? I'm not really looking at anything yet. It's going to take a lot for me to take this play here. I don't hate it, but I also just simply don't love it. Yeah, A+ only, and this is not A+. If we come back and retest, it could be, but All right, we did just get our put alert for futures on NDX. If we can get like some kind of pullback here and a retest, I wouldn't be opposed to it. But I mean, at the end of the day, we did break this support, so I could see us running back down. But I could also see this being just a fake out, and then we run the rest of the day. Got 100 of y'all jits in here. What's up, cuzzo? What's up, cuzzos? All right. All right. Everything is kind of dipping a little bit, so we could see some dippage. But how come on futures TP looks so far? 50 points is not that much. 20 points then 50 points on MNQ, that's not much. It's not much. I mean, it already moved 361 points from orb break, so. Okay, boys, we could look at taking this if we're gonna reject. I'll be looking at the 617 puts, but once again, we're gonna have to see a clear rejection. Because on the 5-minute here, we're literally just bouncing right back in. So, and honestly, that's kind of what I expect. I expect to see a little bit of a fake out here. Silver is looking a little bearish on the 2-minute at least, or on the 5-minute. That's gross on the 2-minute. Really, this should be making me nervous. Cold could be looking so far. If it would be looking far, just rip one of these, bro. Make it look less far. Meta looking good. Irene's up. Yes, sir. Which put are you looking at? I'm looking at the 617 put. I'll take it. I mean, if we get a good rejection out of here, I'll look to take it. But if anything, I mean, maybe a sweep of yesterday's highs. We get something like this. Boom, 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 boom. So even if we have premium, we buy the futures premium. No. You don't have to do that. I'm just saying that there is a futures webinar, and then there's a futures webinar plus 3 months of premium. So if you guys are looking to upgrade or get 3 months of premium at a discount and also get the futures, it'll give you guys like a month off of premium, pretty much. One free month at the most part with the discount. But yeah. Now you can either buy the futures webinar straight up, or if you guys want to add some months for premium and stuff like that, you guys can add a discount. Hassan, it'll be 0DT. Will there be a replay? Yes, I did forget to do that. I forgot to tell you guys that. Guys, there will be a live recording and there will be a live Q&A. So I will have a recording for you guys, and then you guys will be able to ask questions, whether you guys are able to make it to the webinar itself, or you guys watch the recording and hit me back afterwards. I'll be able to answer all your guys' questions. So that's what we're planning for. We're planning for it to be anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half, and then as many questions as you guys have will stay and answer. So if that takes 2 hours, it takes 2 hours. We'll make sure that we get everybody's questions answered. That's a big part of it. Big part of it. I told y'all I wasn't feeling good about those puts, man. We could still get an entry on them, but if we do push down, but especially right now, I'm not looking at these. I got to get ready to send out this free play. Guys, remember, this free play is highly speculative. I wouldn't recommend this. If you guys are going to get in it, great. Go small. But y'all can take a small shot on it, but at the end of the day, don't go too crazy. Attaboy, Gravy Train. Good shit. But do not go crazy on this free play that I'm about to alert. I'm telling you. What's the free play you're gonna see, buddy? You're gonna see, buddy. Hey, pal, you'll see, buddy. Okay. Well, now this could be the put opportunity. I do like this. If we're just gonna get this bungy ad market, man. This bungy ad market, man. Or we just want to go up, down, up, down, up, down. If anything, I'd really be looking to take this on futures. But I'm just not massive on this right now, man. Paid sponsor, maybe. But I told y'all would be the beneficiary of this, as I will be giving out. We will be doing more giveaways because of this. So this is your guys' third warning that I'm telling you guys that this is a paid sponsorship. So I would not take the play. I'm doing this simply so that we can get more giveaways and evals and memberships given away for you guys. Give back. First time ever doing options. Read through the education. I kind of understand. Would it be recommended to just copy paste your trades to start out? If this is your first time trading options, if you've watched the live streams and you truly understand how to input and execute options, that's fine. But make sure you're safe on it, because like if I'm using myself as an example, if I know how to execute options, right, and I take a trade, I can make 40% on that trade. But if you don't know how to execute options and you take the same trade, you could lose 10%. I mean, like, you could, even if I'm making money, you can lose money if you do it incorrectly. So make sure that you know what you're doing. But yes, if you do need to, there is many that do copy trade. At the end of the day, I would recommend learning a little bit about orbs so you can really just understand why. Yeah, exactly, Nav. Yep. Trim half your position at 20%. That's all you need. Trim half your position at 20% and then go break even. And that's it. All right, how's the account looking here? Funky dunky. Silver Leap still up 116%. Silver's up 90 or 90. You gotta take losses to learn. Yes, sir. What's the question for, Brandon? Brando? What the question mark for? The hardest part of streaming? Yeah. Zeta cons? No, I'm not in cons right now. Your boy is not in cons. Man, this is just ass price action. This shit is ass. How come you got in the silver long last night? I did too, but what was your reasoning? Let me go look at it. I can't remember what I took. I don't even remember what I took. I don't even know what I took. I forgot. I sent a screenshot of it, though. I mean, probably some kind of fair value gap bounce. I don't remember, honestly. Are options and futures the same thing? They are not. They are not. What's red folder? Oh, red folder news. What do we got? US core PCE. Yeah. So we won't take a trade until then. We're minutes away anyway. So yeah, BXB. I mean, it looks like I took the break at orb from whatever that shows. If I had to guess. Hold on here, boys. All right, remember what I said. I posted the free play. Everybody go spam the reactions on that. Everyone go spam reactions on the free play, please, and thank you. Go spam the reactions, baby. We got 100 people in here. I should see some crazy reactions come in. We ain't got 0 plays on QQQ, so might as well. There you go. There you go. All right, silver's breaking down this morning a little bit. There you go, boys. Yeah, keep those reactions going so we can get some good looks on there. Atta boys. Thank you. And the free plays. And this channel. Wait, hold on. Beanie. There you go. What kind of desktop do you use? I have a Mac. It's like the Mac PC. Holy shit, we got news like crazy today. How do you orb on Asia the same way you would do for New York? Yes. I do it on Asia the same I do as New York. I'm at 7 p.m. Central or 8 p.m. Eastern. React with all kinds of reactions. W boys. W boys. Puts. This isn't an A+ entry. This isn't an A+ entry. I hate to say it, but it's not. 8 p.m. EST is like 9:30 a.m. What? 8 p.m. EST is like 9:30 a.m. in New York? Buddy, you're in Eastern time. If you're in New York, you are in Eastern time. What the hell are you talking about? 8 p.m. Eastern is like 9:30 a.m.? What the hell are you talking about? Are you saying like orb? $200 off orb M&Q. Yeah, I was going to take it, and I wasn't at that alert. Silver with a magical bounce off of today's open. Now you good. No, in Asia, 8 p.m. would be equivalent to the market. Yes. 8 p.m. market open for Asia, because that's when Asia technically opens. 8 p.m. You can also do it at 5 p.m. or what? It'd be 6 p.m. You can also do it at 6 p.m. when futures truly open. But all right, Buzz, about to head to school. I might pop in after. Wi-Fi, stay safe. Yeah, you too, brother. Stay safe. Trade smart. I might take a quick M&Q scalp, but not really looking for anything too crazy here. What? M&Q just looks so weird this morning, man. This looks so weird. I don't like the way it looks. I don't like the way it looks, man. All right, we just got puts on SPY or MES. If you guys want to take MES, puts don't look horrible. I just don't like this. I'm just not comfortable taking this. I'm not comfortable taking this. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. When you request your first payout after you hit 5 days of 150, or you're going to go more profit after you request, we'll talk about this more in the futures webinar, but you should build a buffer. You should build a buffer first. And obviously we'll cover that in the futures webinar, but you should build a buffer first. And that's what I'd recommend. Puts are too low right now, I think. Yeah, I'm not going to chase this. I'm looking for a short entry on M&Q, but I'm not seeing much that I like either here. Or I figured so you could have some space to lose. Yeah. And once again, we will talk about all of that because there is a lot of stuff like, and that's why I wanted to do the futures webinar, because it's like there is a really, really good way to take advantage of futures, but if you don't do that, you are not going to be a happy camper. If you don't do that correctly, you are not going to do well. Because if you just go after that first payout, the second that you can get it, you are going to inevitably get one payout, sweet, but you're not going to make any kind of you're not going to make any kind of lasting profits or any kind of longevity with what you're doing, because it's just not sustainable to be able to take a payout and then go back down to where you have almost zero drawdown and try and do it again. So that's just what I would say on that. But like I said, we'll be covering all of that in the webinar. M&Q is just doing literally nothing, bro. I mean, like literally nothing. Oh, boring. Can it just dump already so we can get ready for some calls? Let's just dump already, man. Let's just dump already, man. M&Q knows it wants it. If it's going to dump, it's going to dump. Come on. That's what I'm saying. Just give me the dump candle so we can get ready for calls, bro. Give me that dump candle so we can get ready for calls. Nets raw dog. What? He did what? Brother did what? Oh my god. There ain't shit. There ain't shit, man. Oi. Full Port Irene? I wouldn't. Bro. This is actually crumb diddly dumptious market too. This market is buns. So the free play, just a promo, good shit. You getting bread? Hey, gotta keep it honest with you. Premium members getting a giveaway because of it. So getting ready to move violently up. We'll see. I'm sorry. What? What in the fuck is going on with the orb alerts? No one take these orbs. What? What? Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. Why would this alert 15 minutes later? What's for bar close? What? What? Yeah, it alerted there. Why didn't it send out until just now? Bro, BuzzBot went crazy yesterday. Today it's tweaking. I mean, it's right. It's right, but Buzz, when you're passing evals, what do you usually risk per trade? I normally risk 500 to make 1500, or 500 to make 1,000. But normally I'm risking 200 to make 500, and then I move my stop loss to break even. I don't know. They haven't been alerting on time. They've been either alerting too early or too late. I don't know what the fuck the deal is. I don't know. I'll figure it out. 9:30. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay. Oh, I see why. I see why. Wait. No, it was supposed to. Bro, I'm going to figure this out. I'm not going to stress over it too much right now. Yeah, boys. This looks like Dunkus. This look like Dunkus, man. Shorts on the shorts on M&Q hit though. So futures are just like options, but with no expiration dates. I mean, essentially, yes. At the end of the day, for the most part, yes. You don't have to worry about the Greeks, so you don't have to worry about theta eating up your contracts and all that kind of shit. All right. Make money, ganga. You be stressing too much, brother. You be stressing too much. I know you're asking me about buying TE back at $4, $5, so you should still be plenty green, bro. Even our position that we took at 696 or whatever is still green. We are still up 7% on TE, bro. You're chilling, even on a late entry. Our early entries are still up 150+%. You're chilling, man. You just gotta chill. It being down 5% is nothing, bro. It being down 5% is nothing. All right, bro. Market is moving like actual crumbs, man. Actual crumbs. So is silver, bro. Silver's moving like dick and balls. $80% of your portfolio's in TE? Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. I mean, bro, you're in profit. Take profit on it now. Take profits. And then move those profits into whatever you're going to diversify into. Right now, there's not a whole lot. I mean, I've sent out in the long terms what I like, but while it's not a lot, there is stuff that I like. Him sub 30 is looking pretty good. Palantir put, I'm assuming, yes, Palantir put. Yeah, if you're holding long, don't trip, bro. Yeah, exactly. I mean, I've posted multiple YouTube videos talking about how TE's got 10x revenue, EPS. I mean, their revenue is literally growing 1,000% from 2024 to 2028. I challenge you to find another company that's doing something like that. Nebius, that's another one. We're holding Nebius. It's growing at 1,000%. Like, there's no stress, bro. It's so cheap, and yeah, bro. And especially being 17, like you got nothing but time. You could blow your entire portfolio, start over tomorrow, and at the end of the day, you're still ahead of 99% of people your age. I mean, 99.9% of people your age. People normally don't open accounts until they're 25 to 30. So ASTS up 5%. Yes, sir. AVR. I don't know what AVR is. Interest Technology Global. I don't know. I'd have to do more looking on it. Of course. How do you feel about USAR? I didn't really like USAR. I saw a bunch of people asking for that. Why did the free play last time actually rip that day? I don't know. T1 long term, yeah, we've been talking about T1 for a while now. I wouldn't be buying here, but go look at the chart, search it in long terms, and you guys can find the play. But I would not be getting into it here. I'd be waiting for a dip. Bro, this is literally the shittiest price action I've ever seen. Make TE 100% of your portfolio, pretty much. What did I just take? I didn't take anything. Grab and go crazy this year, yes, sir. Bro, my only issue with Grab is that it's just already at a high market cap. So it's hard to go after something like that. Morning, D-Dot. How you doing, brother? Morning, D-Dot. My boy Eddie T back in the chat. Silver's starting to look pretty good here. Silva. KTOS. I'll have to look at that one again too. But really, the only stocks that I'm liking right now, especially with the market and the condition that it's in, is the ones that we've alerted. Other than that, I'm not the biggest fan on much. Tesla orb call or orb something. I'm assuming orb call. Yeah. You gonna take that Tesla call? I'm not. I don't like the way it looked. I'm waiting here. I'm waiting here. I want to see silver break through this 5-minute fair value gap that it's in. It's got this 5-minute right here. I want to see it break through. Well, really, this whole 5-minute. It's kind of just flirting around. Just want to see it break up. Come on, Mr. Market. Come on, Mr. Market. Let's see something good here, man. Give me something. Let's start to see some volume come in. Anything at all. Mr. Market, let's see it. Oh. Calls on QQQ do not look very good. We're going right back into orb, and we're going right back into opening or yesterday's high. There's 2 points where we could reject off of. You could get lucky, but this is not a good entry point in my opinion. I think if you were to win on that, it'd be luck. I'm just gonna be honest with you. Yeah, there we will have Freaky Friday. I told y'all AG looks good, baby. Assuming AG is up, boys. AG is up. What was my original alert on that? I told y'all AG would look good. What did we alert that at? 22.46 at 23.74, up 6% today, baby. Up 6% today. Futures are scary. I'm telling y'all, futures are scary until you figure it out. Futures are scary until you figure it out. I might look to take a quick little M&Q scalp here. Oh, God, it already left the station. It already left the station. All right. Gotta grow crystal. Good stuff. Bro, I'm just waiting to see anything, bro. Market, give me something, please, Lord. Silver is green, though. Silver is mad green. We're about to get an orb break on silver. We could look to take this. About to get an orb break on silver. Buzz, you know anything about GDXU? My pops like swings. I can take a look at it. I don't know much about it right now, but silver is ripping, boys. Look, we inverse that fair inverse that fair value gap. That means calls are up good again. They should be up more than that. 120? They should be up more than that. 119? Okay, whatever. Okay, whatever. Silver wants all-time highs today, bro. Silver do want all-time highs today, I'm telling you. See if we can get it. QQQ look like crumb, though. QQQ look like dust. Oh. Yes, sir, baby. Yes, sir. She is up 3.2%, 120% again. Let's see, what would 90. When silver crosses 100, we'll be up damn near 4K on these positions. Damn near 4K. QQ is building a nice base. It is. It is. I just need to see a lot more from it. A lot more from it. But I'm down to stay live until we'll see. We'll see. I don't want to make any promises here. There's just nothing that I'm like truly interested in. I mean, everything looks fine, but silver is going to the moon. I know. I'm looking at it right now. I have it pulled up on my other monitor. Yeah, it's crazy. Waiting for an orb entry. Waiting for an orb entry on silver here. I want to see a pullback with this 5-minute candle closure. Three months is up 100%. Yes, sir. Bro, it's just mooning on this 5-minute. Oh my God, QQQ, let's go, man. Come on. Come on. I told you. Everybody was asking about the oil companies. I didn't see the point. I told you. I mean, out of baby gravy train. I'm telling you, when everybody tries to tell you something's gonna happen, expect the opposite. Silver just got an orb break. I want to see a pullback on silver, and I'll look for an entry. How many shares of BitGo did y'all get? I forgot to request. Oh my boys, let me look at TSM. 11 and 19, bro. That's actually kind of a lot. Bro, silver just is ripping right now. I mean, just absolutely ripping. Silver is going crazy, bro. Oh my lord. Look at this. Oh, wait, TSM. Bro, silver is going absolutely apeshit right now. These are yesterday's highs, where we're at right now, so. Silver longs would have been nice. I was looking at it, and I started doing other shit. Pissed, bro. I would have had a good entry, too. I wanted that entry right there. Oh, baby, that Zeta call looking good. Zeta's up 4% today. Wow. Oh, QQQ just doing nothing still, but. Man, I want to get an entry on silver here, but can't risk fucking $1 billion of drawdown because it moves like crazy. Why is CRWV falling? It's down to 0.54%. Should we look at something else? I look at other stuff on my other monitors, and I'm telling you there's nothing. Spine QQ fucking with us? Yeah, bro. It's just not doing nothing. It's just not doing nothing. And silver is taking off, but it's taken off to the point where we can't even get a retest, bro. Look at this. We can't even get a... Bro. I mean, are we serious? What is this? TT live today? We'll see. We'll see. I might. I'm going to go take a piss real quick. I'll be right back, boys. God, watch just silver just keep going to the fucking moon, bro, without me. Okay, we might get something good here soon. Bro, silver is no fucking joke, bro. Silver is no fucking joke. Yo. Bro, I honestly don't know this. All right. Might get something here soon. I don't even feel it. The worst part is that we have opening price and orb high, so we're gonna reject off of that at some point. So, no, it's all good. I just want to make sure you saw it, just so you knew that I got that ready for you. No rush on that. I was just letting you know. I remember that'll come with the free webinar. That'll come with the free one. It'll come with the free webinar, and then all the webinars in the future will be discounted 20%. Webinars or courses or whatever. All right. Bro. Silver is just fucking bumping, bro. Yeah, shoot me a DM. Shoot me a DM. I got you, bro. Do it on. I sent you a DM. Zeta, let's go. Yes, sir. Zeta up 4%. EOS up 3%. Zofi up 3%. It should work. It should work. Bro. Oh my god. Silver is ripping. You joined Call B? What? What? You joined Call B? I don't know what that means. Fell asleep. Silver just crossed 95 an ounce again. Calls are up 123%. Bro, silver just does not stop. Look at this shit. How's gold looking? Where's its orb at? Gold blew past its orb too. Silver is literally just ripping. 4K on a funded goat. Bro, these silver longs for futures, boys. I mean, come on, bro. I mean, literally, come on. I'm putting these in the chat for you guys. You guys can go see. Silver longs, gold longs all went crazy. NGC. MGC also went crazy. Futures BuzzBot has been on one too. Just starting out too. I don't know if the Futures BuzzBot's missed yet. Caller on AMD. If we broke yesterday's highs, I don't hate it. If we can break yesterday's highs, I like it. Oh man. Oh, let me go plug in the heater again. It's getting cold. Bro, silver just does not want to come down. Keeps looking like it wants to come retest, but then it just makes a new high. Hasn't even retested one of these 5 fucking fair value gaps that it's got down below. Are we looking to buy calls on QQQ? I mean, we're looking, but price action's so shit right now that we need price action to straighten up. I mean, there hasn't been any trades. You could have taken this and gotten lucky. You could have taken open in price and, I mean, really gotten lucky at the end of the day. But I'm not a fan of either. This movement is just so slow. Meta's up 4%. That was a good orb alert right there. But everything else is just pretty done. Pretty bad. Zeta up 5% looks good. Zeta up 5% looks real good. TE's only down 4%. BE's looking fine. Nebius. All that. Why is CoreWeave dumping? Why is CoreWeave dumping? It's up 0.5% now. I mean, this is just what the fuck. All right, boys, I'm gonna have to request from you guys again to get ready to go. Hold up. Oof. Hold up. I'm about to drop this free play, boys. I'm gonna need y'all to go like it up. Hold up. All right, boys, go blow up the reactions on this one too, and free plays. Go blow up the reactions on that. Need to see some good reactions on that one, buddy, and then we'll get a good reactions on that will lead to good price action on M&Q. I'm telling you, if we blow up the reactions on this, we will see good price action. All right, there you go, boys. Fat Bunny, I would just go with Ethereum. I do not like BMNR. That was one of the only long terms we've missed on. Calls are up 125% now. Free play was just sent out. Here's how we're looking today. Looking pretty good here. QQQ looking pretty decent. Or MNQ here. We are about to dump into this 15-minute fair value gap, though, so we could get a rejection out of we could get a rejection out of here. We have a fair value gap with pre-market, so I'd say I like these calls, but what did we take? We didn't take anything, man. We didn't take anything. We ain't take nothing yet. But we are rejecting out of this fair value gap, so. Bro, silver is just fucking mooning right now, dude. Like, you can't even. All right. Let's see if we can get any movement on M&Q. We should start to pick up the pace if we're going to. We should really start to pick up the pace if we're gonna see a move here on M&Q. Or if anything, see a little bit of a pullback. But those AMD calls are still valid. I want to see us break yesterday's high first. I mean, you see we rejected off that, but this is a good entry. Bouncing back off of Orb opening price. I like that. I like that. QQQ looking bullish too. I do like that. The AMD calls do look good. AMD calls do look good. Daddy likey. Daddy likey AMD. Guys, I do like the AMD calls. If you guys want to take like 260, 255 calls for AMD, I'm not against that. Hold up, I'm getting a call. Hello? Yes, it is. Oh, sweet. Yeah, do you have an idea of how long it'll take? 2 minutes. Okay, sweet, yeah. Sorry, boys. Bank fucking calling to confirm some shit. And dude is just yapping, bro. So, hey, you got 2 seconds? I'm like, yeah, I got 2 seconds. Not fucking 10 minutes. Bro, silver is like, can we get a pullback? I literally wanted to enter off of any of these 5-minute candle retests, anything. And we just haven't. I mean, this is insane, bro. And QQQ is just stuck doing fucking nothing, man. Silver just pumping, bro. Silver is literally just pumping. Just make sure the new free play isn't another paid thing. Well, SH. I think silver's just going to go up forever, man. All right, these guys are fucking outing me, guys. What the fuck are we doing? Why would we say this in the Discord? Why would we say this out loud? Do you like the free play? No. I don't do the pennies. You just got into AMD? All right. As long as we can stay above opening price, we're chilling. I'll just put my stop loss at opening price, TP over yesterday's high. Bro, this is fucking wicked, bro. This is wicked, man. Don't be outing me here. All right. Bro, I want to get a fucking plan, but nothing looks good, bro. I'm not going to jump the gun on anything. We call it a day and wait till Freaky Friday. We can. I mean, we can. I want to see if we can get possibly an orb breakdown right here. Out of this 15-minute fair value gap, that'd be pretty good. If we can close this 5-minute below, I'll look for an entry on M&Q. The golden zone, that's where I was looking to enter on longs if we didn't hold, or if we opened without a gap up, but we ended up gapping up. If we would have stayed around this range, I would have loved an entry there. AG up 6.4% today. Yes, sir. I saw that. Add a baby buying income. Silver up almost 3% too. 2. Those calls are up 128% again. All right, let's see if we can get a little dump on QQQ. If we can get a little dump on QQQ, I might take it on futures here, but probably will not be taking this on options. There's just nothing that I like that much. We're going to create this gap on the 5-minute, hopefully. That'd be really nice. Hopefully we can create the gap on the 5-minute and either retest that and close below. Or if we can get if we can get this gap right here, and we can see one of these two things where we either dump down, come back up like that, or if we come back up like this, I'll take an entry. I'll take an entry. But as of this second, not loving much. But on futures, we did reject out of this 15-minute fair value gap, which is really, at the end of the day, it's this right here. So rejected out of it. We just want to see the continuation down. Looks like market's slowly starting to move a little quicker here. Might get some better price action, but I don't know, man. All right. Up 1,700, up 900, and up 100. Not bad. QQQ did not like yesterday's high or that orb or that fair value gap. I mean, all right, boys. I'll be looking for an entry off this 2-minute retest. I'm not going to be taking this in the 1 to 5K. I might. I don't know. We'll see. But structure is going to have to be real good here during Chinese session. Chinese session is hilarious. All right, well, we're up in this fair value gap. Let's see. Let's see. What I'm thinking is I want to see a rejection out of this fair value gap. Push down. If we can get a close out of the fair value gap, that's step 1. Step 2 would be close out of orb again on the 2-minute. But, I mean, market. If we don't get this, I'm going to have to get off, unfortunately. I really, really wanted to get a play in today, but y'all know how I am. If the market's not going to give it to us, we're not going to do it. But I will be live tonight for futures, too. So I'm going to go live tonight for Asia session. I'll let you guys know what time. I might go live at 5 p.m. Central. I might go live at 7 p.m. Central. I'll let you guys know. But let's see if we get the rejection. If not, I'll give it about 10 more minutes here. But oh, shit, I got to film a YouTube video today. What do you guys want to see? What kind of YouTube video you guys want to see today? I mean, I can't really tell you if we'll have a good entry tonight. I don't know. Do a futures YouTube video. I want to. I just don't know what to. I don't want to cover stuff that I'm going to cover in the webinar either. Huzz or Chuzz, bet. I'll be live for futures, but I'll probably stop or wait to post much futures content until after the webinar. Can't be giving out that free sauce. All right. Good little rejection out of the 5-minute. Good little rejection out of the 5-minute here. How BX blew an account in 3 hours, bro. I've blown an account in minutes, bro. It's chill. I've done worse. Yeah. I've blown an account in minutes, bro. Trust me, it ain't that crazy. I mean, shit, boys, this is what I want to see. Anybody in Nugget? What? This is what I want to see. Okay, let's see. Bro, what the fuck, D-Dot? What are we talking about? Carter, what I like to do is I make 1,500 the first day. If you did that, join up on Asia session tonight when we trade. But I like to make 1,500 the first day, and then after that, I target 500 to 1,000 to 1,500. You know, I put my once I hit $500 for TP, I normally will take that, and then I'll take another trade. And either go back to break even on the day, or I will work my way up to 1,500 and gain for the second day. So, yeah, 1,500 your first day. Nice. So tonight it'll reset. You'll have another day. You just need to make $1,500 more. What I recommend is taking a trade where you're going to make 500 or lose 200, so it's not that bad. And then if you do make that 500, then take another trade with a risk to reward where you'll make 1,500 or lose 500 and get back to break even. Buzz, make another account so I can start with you. I might tonight, low-key. I might. All right. Not looking too good. Not looking too good here. Yeah, boys. I don't know if I'm going to take anything today. I'm going to be honest with you. I hate to do it. But I'm going to have to, unfortunately. Almost starting a war over not getting a Nobel Peace Prize. Bro, I'm telling you, anybody who is requesting to get a Nobel Peace Prize does not deserve a Nobel Peace Prize. I feel like that's not even a hot take. I feel like that's just obvious. If you have to ask to get a Nobel Peace Prize, first of all, you're not obviously competent to understand that that's an award that's given, not asked for. I think it's actually hilarious. I'm going to be honest. I think it's funny as fuck. Oh, okay. That slipped right under my nose. What they want to change? What do you want to change it to? The Trump Award or some shit? I just don't know how he gets these ideas, bro. They're just like low-key fucking crazy. You'd be having crazy ideas. Bro's mind is constantly spinning. Oh, silver just ripped a new all-time high. Oh, damn near. Damn near it did on futures. Silver just swept highs on futures. Yeah, boys, doesn't look like we're going to get anything today. Market just looks like ass. No, I do not have any swing trades. Market's in a very indecisive period. Swing trades would be the last thing I'm looking to take, bro. I'm going to be honest. Swing trades would not be good right now. I mean, Trump opens his mouth and then your swings are either up or down 100%. So if you want to gamble, but yeah, swings are not something I'd be looking to get into right now. Bullying BXB into good discipline will forever be a point of interest. What do you use for news updates? I use Bloomberg or Twitter. Bloomberg or Twitter. I'm a changed man. Overnight. Let's go. But he got to afford Valentine's. Got to lock in. All right, boys. This shit looks like garbage. This shit looks like garbage. I don't want to waste your guys' time. I don't want to waste my time. So, yes, sir. Buying. Let's go, baby. Ready to lock in with you, Buzzy? Well, let's get it, baby. All right, boys. Well, there ain't shit today. There ain't shit today. It's unfortunate. I apologize. Next time, I'll tell the market to do more. Be better. Go up. Give us better price action. But y'all know it's about to get freaky tomorrow. So it's about to get freaky tomorrow. And we'll have a little bit of pre-freakiness tonight in futures. So that's it. Futures tonight, yes, sir. Futures tonight will be in the futures trading VC, which is right below this live trading VC that we're currently in. So, all right, boys. Well, I will catch y'all later. If I do see anything, I will alert it. I'm not doing anything today, so I'll just be filming content and watching the charts. So I will catch y'all around. Later, boys. Hit me up if you guys need anything. Keep the chat active if y'all trying to look for plays. I'll be on the lookout for you guys. So later, boys.